People don't get what they want, but they don't want what they get. To kill time is to return life. So let's use the time to reach the goal of life very quickly. And knowledge is valuable, but character is more valuable. Which character is not good? Which is knowledge. Good results are not expected. Even if the snake has game on its head, should be appended and tacklers. Hello dear friends and family, hope things are fine and all of you are having a really very good time. So after a long time I stay before you with a beautiful village between tea garden and my backside. This is a big field. So today in this video I'll try to share with you how to learn vocabulary and how to learn you vocabulary, all everything. Today in this video I'll try to share with you. So let's get started. So at the first time I want to tell you, if you want to make any sentence but you are learning vocabulary, but when if you want to make any sentence but you can't make because you are not learning vocabulary right away, but you will ask me, hello dear brothers, but how we will learn it will be correctly vocabulary, and second time we can make any sentence very easily. So let's see. But you know that basic words morning, but we know that what is the mean, it's word morning, but we know morning it's mean shakal. Okay, but if you want to learn by this words morning means shakal, but you are memorizing morning means shakal, morning means shakal, morning means shakal. Okay, but if you want to make any sentence but you can't eat because you are not learning right away. Okay, but you need to learn morning, in the morning shakal, in the morning shakal, in the morning shakal. And second time if you want to make any sentence you can make sentence very easily. For example, if you want to make any sentence, I go to school morning, that is not right away because you need to learn morning, in the morning shakal. But if you want to make this correct sentence, I go to school in the morning, in the morning, in the morning, that it will be sentence automatically. Okay, because before you learn in the morning shakal, in the morning shakal. Okay, but what will you say? You need to say I go to school in the morning, but you know that what does it mean, its sentence will be correctly automatically. Okay, but if you want to also, if you want to learn afternoon, but you know that what does that mean, this words afternoon. Okay, afternoon it's mean bikal, but you are learning afternoon, afternoon bikal, afternoon bikal. But when if you want to make any sentence but your sentence automatically wrong because you need to learn in the afternoon, in the afternoon bikal, in the afternoon bikal, in the afternoon bikal, in the afternoon bikal. But when if you want to make any sentence, your sentence will be automatically okay. But why? Because before you learn afternoon, in the afternoon bikal, in the afternoon bikal, in the afternoon bikal. But for example, or such as, but if you want to make I play football in the afternoon, its sentence will be correctly automatically okay. But if you want to make sentence I play football afternoon, its sentence will not be correctly automatically okay because you are learning this is the wrong way. But if you want to learn in the afternoon bikal, in the afternoon bikal, but when if you want to make any sentence, its sentence will be automatically okay. So you need to learn, you need to say I play football in the afternoon, I play football in the afternoon, sentence it will be automatically okay. And you know that what does the mean, it's mean evening. Okay, so you are learning evening shanda, evening shanda, evening shanda. But when if you want to make any sentence, that's it will be automatically wrong. But you need to learn in the evening shanda, in the evening shanda, in the evening shanda. When if you want to make any sentence, its sentence will be automatically okay. For example, I study evening, that sentence automatically wrong because you are not learning right away. But if you want to make I study in the evening, I study in the evening, I study in the evening sentence, this sentence will be automatically okay because you learn correctly with preposition and others. So you need to learn. And also if you want to say night, you know that what does it mean, it's words night means rat. But if you want to make sentence, it will be automatically wrong. So as well as you need to learn at night rat, at night rat, at night rat. Or for example, I will talk with you at night, sentence will be automatically okay. At midnight it's mean moddorat. Okay, so I will talk with you at midnight, its sentence will be automatically okay. So morning, in the morning, afternoon, in the afternoon, evening, in the evening, night, at night. at midnight it will be moddorat, but you can make very easily any sentences on for your life, and also you can speak very easily. And for example, it's mean sky, but if you want to learn sky, you know that what is the mean. But today the sky is looking very beautiful, or today the sky is looking very cloudy. Okay, sentence will be automatically okay, but you need to learn with the sentence. If you want to memorize any words, you need to create with the sentence. But you, second time, if you speak English, this sentence will be automatically okay. Actually you can say I'm stay tea garden. Also the fox is louding, yeah, by sound. There's no problem. Okay, so now I want to share with you how I learn vocabulary. So I hope that you have understood all everything how I am learning vocabulary, and need to also apply for your life. And however you can learn very easily. Okay, so if I wrong anything about my speech, so I hope that you need to forgive me. So Allah Hafiz, bye bye.